Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a Selnet Gray Metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Come around back. We've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, pull down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, pre-safe. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, natural grain black ash wood trim, media display, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, rear view backup camera, hard key for display, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic switch for different driving patterns. This GLC has 34,110 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.